Welcome to Debt Busters and welcome to another YouTube video. Do you want to start a cash cow YouTube channel but don't know anything about them? If that's the case, don't worry, because in today's video, we'll be reviewing a course called Tube Mastery and Monetization 3.0 by Matt Parr. This course will provide you with the necessary guidance to help you start and manage your channel. We will go over everything about the course in this video, so watch it through. You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section or from polls in the community post. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you'd like to see. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. I'm going to start by answering some frequently asked questions about Tube Mastery and Monetization up front. Question 1. Is this class for beginners? Tube Mastery and Monetization is very beginner-friendly. It's easily understood by anyone who is interested in becoming a YouTube content creator. Matt Parr offers a complete roadmap to take beginners from not having a YouTube channel at all to making a full-time income on the platform. It also helps those of us who have been making content refine our process and get better results. Question 2. What if I have questions? Tube Mastery and Monetization offers a private Facebook group where you'll be able to ask questions and have them answered on a daily basis. I've taken a few YouTube content creation classes, and I can say that Matt Parr is by far the most active content creation teacher in any private Facebook group I've been a part of. He's in the Facebook group daily and answers everyone's questions individually. There are also other more experienced students who can help answer questions and offer motivation to aid you in your success. Question 3. How long does it take to earn money? I get this question a lot. The answer is highly subjective. Nothing works unless you do. I have classmates who earned money the first week they joined. I personally took 3 months off from YouTube to study the course and made enough money my first month back to pay for the course in its entirety. Your results will vary depending on how committed you are to taking massive action on what Matt is teaching. Question 4. Does this work if I don't live in the United States? Absolutely. This course will work as long as you have an internet connection and access to YouTube. Matt, who teaches this, has at least 9 channels. I'm not sure how many channels he owns, but I know he makes over $30,000 per month through automation. What niche sites allow you to do is choose a niche and create faceless channels that teams can automate for you. That's why I'm interested in this, because it's a business opportunity. If we break it down, it offers 3 things. So if you're interested in any of these 3 things, this could be a business opportunity you'd like to pursue. So like blocks, the first thing it provides is automation, outsourcing. To save money, you can still do it all yourself by creating the videos yourself. Once you have that money, you can add it to your business and start paying people to make your videos. Taking that money and directing it toward video production has some advantages. The second benefit is scalability. Just like blogs, there are only so many videos we can make while working full-time, and it won't take much for you to grow this channel. It is insufficiently consistent. However, this is very scalable in content for specific niche channels. Setting up one successful channel and then being able to start other successful channels is the process that we hope to learn here through Mastery Monetization 3.0. But it's essentially systematizing the process, forming a team to handle the key steps for you, and then simply uploading it or having them upload it. You can move from one niche to the next. It's only this quest for beginning digital assets. The third thing I liked about this business model is that it has the potential to be sold. Allow me to give you an example. Mr. Beast has a fantastic channel, right? We don't know how much he makes, or we're sure it's a lot. The only issue with Mr. Beast's channel is if he decides to stop doing it. He can continue making money from his previous videos indefinitely, and he's probably set for life, but he can't exactly sell that channel, He could, but it'll be on the decline, because once you lose the personality at Mr. Beast, it's gone, right? It's the same as starting a new channel. The advantage of these assets is that they are faceless and do not rely on a personality. So you could create the channel, begin earning passive income, and then sell it like any other digital asset. And those are 3 of the key parameters we were looking for. So hopefully, that piques the interest of anyone watching this video. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you've had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your own face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. Let's get into the review portion and show you what Tube Mastery is all about. When you log in, you'll see this on the first page. The first item at the top is Tube Mastery and Monetization 3.0. You will also receive the following versions of the old Tube Mastery. We're not going to go over the previous version in detail. Instead, we'll go over the most recent version and probably not go back unless we think we can find a nugget here. Perhaps we will. One also receives this Tube FAQ, a compilation of all the most common questions Matt has received. You will locate that section here. Then there's Tube Secrets, which is essentially a condensed version of the course if you want to look at an accelerated version, which I think is pretty cool. This video will go over the detailed one, which is the one we as debt busters we've been going over. There are also 2 channel case studies, which is fantastic. Matt goes into several different niches and breaks down a few of the specific channels so you can see what they're doing and what they're all about, which I think is pretty cool. Finally, you will have vidIQ Mastery. That's all there is to using the vidIQ app or software. A few other cool things are also included. You gain access to Matt's private Facebook page where he has personally answered any questions you have posted over the last few years. So he's very active there, which is fantastic for support. You also get a list of over 100 niches that Matt has compiled and is constantly updating his specific channels within those niches. So you get examples, which is pretty cool. These are some of the extras included. So let's get started with Mastery Monetization 3.0. First, we'll go through each of these and explain what they are. So the first section is simply a welcome to the course. Matt greets you to the course. He then instructs you on how to join the private mastermind group. Finally, he explains how to use the course. The videos are about 3 to 5 minutes long and very basic. The method is then described in detail. Matt goes over the blueprint here, and when he does, he uses a diagram to show you the blueprint from 60,000 feet up, which I think is pretty cool. Then he takes it up a notch to the 30,000 foot level. So you can see what these courses are like from a high level to set you up. Then it goes over some case studies about channels and how much money they could make. And then he gives you this step-by-step checklist that you can eat it, but can use to give you an idea of when you should be doing things. You can also edit it if that doesn't work for you, but it gives you a good idea of what you should be doing in the first few months. The next cool section is called Choosing a Niche. Choosing a niche is crucial, right? So Matt goes over the concepts of selecting a niche here. The different ways to go about YouTube will be the next topic he will discuss. So this is good for new people because it breaks down the differences between a total niche channel, which is what we'll be focusing on in this case study, a hybrid channel and a full personality channel, and the pros and cons of each so you can make the best decision for you. Then in the section titled Best High CPM Niches, he discusses high CPM niches. So depending on the niche, CPM is the amount of money you'll make per 1,000 views. Those who have created blog sites know that not every niche is equal. So Matt goes over some examples of high CPM niches and niches to avoid. Then he'll tell you about his favorite niches. He goes into greater detail about his favorite personal niches under My Favorite Niches. He will also provide you with a list of profitable YouTube niches with examples under the heading List of Profitable YouTube Niches. Finally, he will inform you of the niches to avoid and advise you to begin doing market research. The next section of Tube Mastery and Monetization 3.0 is about setting up your channel for success. The following section is all about creating videos. Here you will learn about the overview of video generation, the anatomy of a viral video, and how to systematize your videos. So it's similar to creating a standard operating procedure that you can replicate. The following section will teach you about writing scripts, recording voiceovers, and where to find content for niche channels, which is extremely important because you don't want to have writer's block or anything else when it comes to content. There are also free video editors. Matt will also demonstrate his favorite video editor. Then you'll learn about making high click-through thumbnails, which are important for YouTube's algorithm, and you'll get a walkthrough of generating a video from start to finish. The next feature in Tube Mastery 3.0 is uploading and optimizing your video for SEO. Here you will find information on properly optimizing videos and scheduling them. The next section is about the growth module. The growth module focuses on how to expand your YouTube channel. So this includes understanding YouTube analytics and how to read them, taking the data and doubling down on your channel and going viral, which is never completely in your control. Still, it's best practice to go viral. Matt discusses using metadata or equivalent metadata to be shown in the suggested videos, which is huge on YouTube, which I like because I can see it working in my limited experience on YouTube. Thus, SEO and keywords are important on YouTube. However, when it takes off, most of the reviews on your channel will be in the suggested video. So we're leveraging similar metadata to accomplish this, which is a neat little hack. Matt also discusses the best time of day to upload and how to determine it. He also mentions another great tool for channel optimization. So these are the tools he employs. The monetization module comes next after the growth module. Matt will obviously go over monetization with ads, but then other ways to monetize. Again, this will be for people coming over from niche websites, so it will not be foreign. Still, it's going to talk about things like affiliate marketing, selling digital courses, and ways that you can know that you can make a lot of money online. Scaling and outsourcing comes next after the monetization module. Again, you're only as good as your content team in any of these games, whether it's YouTube, niche YouTube sites, or websites. Unless you're going to write everything yourself, you'll probably need a team because you won't be able to produce everything yourself. As a result, this is a method of ensuring that you can create that video creation assembly line, how to outsource thumbnail creation, and how much you should pay. So you're not just winging it when negotiating, you will also learn how to manage your team. There are several bonuses after scaling and outsourcing. Matt discusses everything from personal brand secrets to business and taxes. So there you have it, guys. So far, it's been fairly simple to consume. I'll admit that the beginning sections were a little lengthy, but it's also similar to stuff I've been watching and researching in this before deciding to dive into it. So some of it was like, I already knew this. So the whole point of this is to get you from not knowing what this system is all about to be able to do it and succeed at it. The videos in this course are relatively short, which is a plus. Matt dislikes making long videos. The majority of the videos are about 5 minutes long. And then when it gets to the choosing your niche part, you start getting 15 to 20-minute extremely important videos. So at the very least, it's well paced. And that's a wrap on the preview of what you'll find in Tube Mastery and Monetization 3.0. We'd like to hear your thoughts on this. Did you enjoy it? Do you want to give it a shot? If you want to give it a shot, there's an affiliate link in the video description. You can buy the course by clicking on it. Some of you may be aware that my channel is associated with Matt Parr. He provides a variety of secret growth tactics for making money online in 2022 using YouTube cash cow channels. If you're interested, you can find his 100% free course under the description. It shows you how to make up to $30,000 each month online, just like he does. If you enjoyed this video, then check out this video on your screen that I selected just for you. Now that you can purchase a guide on creating faceless cash cow videos. If you want to know which niches can help you make $10,000 or more per month, watch the video on your screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.